the Elna Supermatic has another neat feature. There's the folding knee control, but the case this machine also came with a little accessory tray with the original oiler. But the thing I wanted to demonstrate is that this case transforms into a work table extension. So you've got a nice big flat even work surface if you don't want to be working free arm. And then the case here opens, and the machine sets in place. And the cord wraps around here, and there is a fake socket on the back for the cord to plug into. And this accessory tray I forgot to open, so it's got the oiler sits like that, and it slides into place. But then you take it out, it's got all these pins for thread and bobbin storage, but you lift the top off this cover and it's got fashion discs, Elna disc storage, and this has a bunch of extra feet in it, and covers for the feed dogs. The feed dogs don't retract on the Elna. They have covers that go over the top. So with the accessory box in place and the cord wrapped and plugged into its spot, the two halves of the case fold up and clip, and then this back flap has its own clip, and I don't actually know why that's... oh. That looks bent. Let's... yeah, that latch is bent. Okay. Well, I'll try to straighten that latch out to make it latch properly, but... yeah. Alright, one of the main features of the Elna Supermatic is the Elna Disc, which is their name for stitch pattern discs. So the Elna Disc system for the Supermatic has two styles of disc, and there's a little tool to get under and remove them, but there's double height and single height discs. They got the pattern printed on them, so this is a simple fat to narrow stitch, and this is a stretch stitch. The double height has a reverse control with it too. There's a drive pin on the mechanism. Some of the discs have a white circle painted that matches the hole underneath for drive, and like this disc, there's no hole painted, but it matches the number 102 on the top of the disc. So you set it in there to make sure it's on the pin, put this retainer nut in place, and then the stitch width adjuster is here. So 0 means 0 width, and then switch it to 4 to engage the lower part of the disc. And then the upper part of the disc is it controls the stitch length module here. It's got the regular 0 to 4 forward. This is reverse, so that's forward. And then there's the A for automatic. And A is engaged with the disc. So you can see the disc is making this part move, whereas now it's just in regular mode, so it's not using the reverse feed section of the stitch disc. And then set both these to 0, remove the nut here, and use our little lifter to help pop them off. So I don't even know how many are made. This machine came with 8, and I'm just going to stick the plain zigzag disc back in it.